Welcome back to Living 808. As we wrap up 2024 and look forward to the new year, many of us are making resolutions. But let's be honest, how many of those gym memberships actually get used past February? This year, we are talking about a resolution that can have lasting impact. And here to share more is Martha and Elliot Clopin of Get to Insurance. Aloha, you guys.
Aloha.
Aloha.
Thank you for having me.
Of course, always so happy to have you both because it's always such great information and things that we need to know. And something we need to know is how our insurance works. So why is understanding your insurance a great New Year's resolution?
It's a great New Year's resolution because at Get to Insurance, we have talked to so many people who normally would be coming down to just do an enrollment, but they need help filling out different types of applications for Affordable Care Act, Medicare, Medicaid. They have questions that go beyond just the regular, what insurance do you need? Mm-hmm. So I've been thinking a lot about that, and I really wanted to do something really special and unique because think about it, during holiday time, who's opening up health insurance mail and looking at their insurance cards?
Not me, but we should be, right? Now, you mentioned, I know you guys are launching something that's going to be able to help us with this. It's pretty unique. Can you share about that?
Yeah, I think it's pretty unique. I've been thinking about it, and what we decided to do is create a mobile enroller. So what that means is that if a person is having difficulty filling out applications for anything health insurance related, we will come to them and we will help them with the process. And our friends at JDM Auto designed this, little car with some eyelashes on it.
Oh,
so
cute.
people can look for the car with the eyelashes.
Oh, it's an actual, mobile.
An actual mobile that we come to you, but it has eyelashes. So we're hoping that we'll be driving around and people will see the eyelashes and know that we can come and help them with this process. We have had so many calls from people. Can you just help us fill out the application for Part B, as in Bravo? Can you help us with an Affordable Care Act application? They just have difficulty navigating it. So we're going to be there to help.
I love that. Okay, that's fantastic. So tell us, I guess, because I know there have been changes. Mm-hmm. So I think that's what a lot of people have questions about and need to know. So can you share some of the changes that people should know?
Yeah, absolutely. So there's the new prescription drug payment program that's coming for 2025, and that's going to allow people to spread their drug costs over a 12-month period. And then there's also, for some certain plans, a Part D deductible that will be included as part of their plan. So for those first couple of fills at the beginning of the year, there may be more of an expense than people are used to, but over the year, they added a $2,000 cap for prescription drugs. So there's just some changes that we wanted to let people know about so that when they go to the pharmacy to pick up their prescriptions, they're just prepared. Yeah.
Interesting. Oh, good to know. I didn't even know there was a new cap. So I guess I know there are programs, though, for people that might struggle to afford their medications. Can you share a bit about those?
Yeah, absolutely. So we're going to be talking about the Medicare Savings Program and also the Extra Help Program. And if you meet certain income qualifications, you can get a substantial discount on your prescription drugs. A lot of people don't know about these programs, so we're really excited to let people know about them. And usually when we tell people about them, they just, they really had no idea. So we're happy that we can let them know how to get significant savings on their prescriptions. Yeah.
Which, yes, okay, everyone loves getting more knowledge, getting big savings. That's what we love, and so that's why we love you guys.
Absolutely.
And you guys really are just really trying to help people understand their health insurance policy, life policies as well. So can you talk about the workshops you guys do? Because they're really great and informative.
Yeah, absolutely. So beginning in February 2025, next year, we're going to be doing some live in-person workshops. It's going to be limited to 8 people, but we're also going to be doing them via Zoom as well, so you can reach out for me for that. But we're going to be going, just taking a deep dive into annuities, life insurance, health insurance, because people really just kind of need to sit down and talk it through. There's a lot of terms that can be very complicated.
Starting with annuities.
Yes, yeah, exactly. Yeah, precisely. It doesn't roll off the tongue super easily, but we're gonna take a deep dive into that. And if people want to know more about that, my number is 808-490-5979. If you want to register for it, or if you just want to hear more about what we're going to talk about. Yeah.
Perfect. Scoring those digits. And that's a direct way to get in touch with these folks. And again, super great information, and it can help you out and potentially help you save a lot of money. So if people want to get in touch with you, I know we just got your number, but where else can we go for more?
Well, they can always look at our website to find our phone number. A lot of people do that. That's gettoinsurance.com. But if they call Elliot 808-490-5979. He's made so many new friends. They call him to register and get more information. So we're so happy to, roll this out in 2025 because there's a huge knowledge gap. We really need to help people understand, make the best decisions so they can stay healthy and party.
I love it. And speaking of rolling out, you're also going to be rolling out in your new automobile with that mobile service.
With those eyelashes.
I love that. That's very Martha coded.